I would like to ask po sana for you to take us behind the scenes a bit. How spontaneous was the decision to drop Zuleika Lopez from the witness list? Did that happen lang ba talaga during the when you ask for a 5 minute, anong tawag doon? Parang 5 minute break or huddle, or was it floated ba at least a day before in one of the in your conversations? Sino yung nag-float nitong idea na ay wag na nating wag na nating isaalang si Zuleika Lopez? Whatever you can disclose lang.
Yes, of course. Every day po, pag nag-uusap kami, pinag-uusapan namin kung represent pa ba natin ito, yung susunod. Hindi lang naman to kay Zuleika Lopez at kay Captain Bel Bello. After all, we are already prepared to present these witnesses. We've been preparing for many months now, and we have our draft question and answers or questions, and we already have in our heads kung ano sana yung flow, no? Pero araw-araw nagbabago po yan. Maski na not considering Attorney Lopez or Captain Bello, sabihin ko sa inyo, nung una nga, ang represent namin si Captain Bello dapat. Pero after one day, naisip namin si Agent Calilong. Nagbabago-bago po every day ang aming strategy depending on what happens earlier in the day.
Congresswoman, could you say na at least the day before, pagkatapos nung day 4, nag-huddle kayo, it was floated at least yung idea na baka hindi na natin kailangan si Zuleika Lopez for day 5, given also dahil last week matatandaan natin Vinluan, the defense lawyer, in his closing speech, he said that the threat made by the vice president, while conditional, is justified. So
Yes.
parang may admission na rin nun
Yes.
that week. So may yun bang mga ganong statements trigger na yun to at least discuss it a day prior to have it
Yes.
floated? So it was discussed at least.
Indeed, we discussed it the day before, we discussed it earlier. And again, hindi lang po ito para kay Zuleika, even for Captain Bel Bello, who's our witness from Congress. So sila pong lahat to, pinag-uusapan namin every day yung ating list of witnesses, or who will be presented the following day, and the list of witnesses for the coming days.
But Congresswoman, it doesn't stop naman the prosecution from asking the court to compel Zuleika to attend in the future, given that she is listed primarily as a witness in the first article of impeachment, which is confidential funds.
Yes, of course, we can still present her in the succeeding articles should the prosecution see that there is a need to present her.